Crafting your first sketch, understanding, rough out a design. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that often pops up in creative and planning contexts: rough out a design. Whether you're a budding designer, an architect, or just curious about English idioms and phrases, this video is for you. Let's break down what this phrase means and how you can use it in your everyday communication. Stay tuned. Rough out a design is an intriguing phrase that combines creativity with the initial stages of planning. To rough out something means to create a preliminary sketch or outline of it. It's about putting your initial ideas down on paper or into a digital format, without worrying about the details or making it perfect. This stage is crucial for brainstorming and capturing the essence of what you want to achieve. When we talk about a design, it can refer to anything from a drawing, a plan for a building, a website layout, or even a plan for a project. So, to rough out a design is to sketch out the basic structure or form of something before refining it into its final version. Roughing out a design is more than just a step in the creative process. It's a fundamental practice that allows for flexibility, creativity, and innovation. This initial stage encourages free thinking and the flow of ideas without the pressure of perfection. Saves time by allowing you to explore different concepts quickly before committing to one. Facilitates communication with team members or clients, as it's easier to discuss and make changes to a rough sketch than a completed project. Understanding and mastering the art of roughing out can significantly improve your planning and creative processes, whether you're working on a personal project or collaborating with others. Let's bring this phrase to life with some examples. An architect might rough out a design of a building before finalizing the blueprints. A graphic designer could rough out logo ideas on a sketchpad before creating the final versions on their computer. A writer might rough out the plot of a story or the structure of an article before diving into the detailed writing. These examples show that roughing out applies to various fields and is an essential first step in bringing any idea to fruition. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to rough out a design, and why it's such a pivotal part of the creative process. Whether you're sketching the first lines of a masterpiece or planning the layout of your next website, remembering the importance of this initial phase can help unleash your creativity and lead to better outcomes. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep exploring, creating, and learning.